In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Hubspot with Xero. This integration can help you connect your sales and customer data in Hubspot with your accounting data in Xero, so information can stay consistent across both platforms. To follow along, make sure you are logged into the Hubspot account that you want to connect, and that you have access to your Xero profile as well. Start by logging into your Hubspot account. Once you are signed in, take a moment to confirm you are in the main Hubspot workspace, since the next steps depend on the top navigation bar being visible. If you are already on the dashboard, you are ready to continue. Next, click the Marketplace icon, which looks like a shopping bag, in the top navigation bar. This is the gateway to Hubspot's app ecosystem. The Marketplace is where you can find integration apps, install them, and manage the permissions that allow systems to communicate. After you open the Marketplace, you should see a page or panel that displays available apps. From there, select App Marketplace. This makes sure you are searching within the correct place, specifically for apps and integrations that can connect Hubspot with other tools. Now search for Xero by Hubspot, and it may be labeled as something like Data Sync. When you see the correct listing, click it. At this point, it is important to choose the app that is clearly associated with syncing between Hubspot and Xero, since there may be multiple results or related tools. Once you open the app listing, click Install App. This action starts the connection workflow. You might be prompted to confirm that you want to install and configure the integration, since this will set up data access between Hubspot and Xero. After you click Install, a pop-up screen will appear. In that pop-up, enter your Xero profile credentials. Use the credentials for the Xero organization you intend to connect. Make sure the correct organization is selected if Xero provides a choice, because the integration will be tied to the Xero account you authenticate with. Then you will be asked to review the data sharing access requests. This is a permission screen that explains what the integration is allowed to access. Take a moment to read through the requested access so you understand what data will be shared and how the integration will function. If something looks unfamiliar, pause here and double-check before continuing. When you are satisfied with the permissions, click Accept to link the databases together. This step authorizes Hubspot to communicate with Xero based on the access you reviewed. After accepting, the installation process will continue in the background. Finally, wait for the redirect to return you to the Hubspot settings dashboard. This redirect is important because it confirms the app installation and connection status from within Hubspot. When you return, look for the integration or settings area where the connection appears, so you can confirm that it has been set up successfully. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.